Well, you're right. I mean, we graduated all five of our offensive line starters, and really two of our three defensive line guys are gone too. So, that was a concern going into it. But I'll tell you what, we're really excited about the guys that have stepped up and stepped in. Surprisingly, we've got at least two guys at every spot that have put in some pretty good work throughout the summer and made us feel a lot better about the way things are going. So, obviously we still got a lot of improvement, a lot of room to improve, but we are pretty happy about that.